Welcome you all friends. Hope we are all doing fine. So today's video I'm gonna tell you about the fact that the students become very tense and very confused about themselves, their concepts when they enter the exam centers. So the fact of the matter is that once you let yourself get gripped by the mental perplexion or the the anxiety factor that grips your mind, so all what you have prepared gets almost forgotten. The key of the success is to have the concepts taken very comfortably, and once you enter the exam halls, you should feel very comfortable about yourself first. So it is a difficult job although, but with your efforts, you can make it happen the possible simple way. So what is to be done is, once you enter the exam hall, so be comfortable and be calm about your concepts, yourself, and that's going to give you a bit of more confidence, and the kind of learning that you have done, the concepts that you have learned automatically get on the track, and you feel the resonance with those things. And on the flip side of it, if you let your mind get somewhat in the anxious state, the learned things get forgotten, and then you badly perform in the examination. So it's today's observation. I found students were very anxious, they were very frantic with their being in the exam centers, and maybe some of them, or most of them I guess, might have committed mistakes by letting themselves go into the hands of the mental trauma. So what's it that makes you somewhat be on the back seat? What is it? It's your lack of confidence in you. So once you have a lack of confidence, the things automatically start going not your way. And I suggest you to somewhat build in yourselves more and more confidence, and that is achievable only when you give a very honest and very candid, sincere hard work to yourself. So if you don't let yourself sincerely work hard, so automatically the things are gonna get very much slashed in a very short span of time. The fact is, once you learn some concepts, learn them by heart. And once you learn something by heart, by mind, that is hardly to be forgotten, unless you not let yourselves get somewhat into the grips of the mental perplexion. So feel comfortable next time. You have so many papers, so many examinations to come in the future. This is my suggestion to you people. So bring yourself in the ground state, in the less excited state, and that is going to make a big success in your careers. So hope to make all these things get applied to your life, and expect good results in future. So thank you very much. God bless you all.